this is what we're dealing with this morning in the boat shop. About a 5-foot tall snowdrift going across the yard here. Able to get the tractor out though.
That's what we're here for.
So today on the channel, we're replacing the engine in this little Sea Ray. You can see we already have it out. This is the engine that was removed. You can see why it's being replaced. A little bit of freeze damage. Both sides there. Intake on top will be cracked as well. Engine block will be cracked. And it is being replaced with this Reman Mercury crate motor. Okay, so we have a progress report here on our V6 inboard that we are replacing in this little 185 Sea Ray. We've got, this is the old engine. Most of the components have been swapped over. This is the new engine. And you can see bell housing and coupler have been replaced, wire harness, intake. And if you look over here at the old engine, you can see down in here, there's a crack in the block. So that's underneath the intake. So both exhaust manifolds are cracked and the engine block is cracked as well. So again, this is the reason this motor is being replaced. A lot of freeze damage. Check back in a little later with another progress update. Okay, so here's the old block stripped down. All the parts off it. And new engine is dressed and just set back in the boat. Check back when we have her running.